Hi, my name's Fuzz Townshend, and this behind me is my garage. Now, a lot of people ask me, what do you have in your garage, Fuzz? So let's go through it. Come on. We'll start off here with this largely unrestored Austin 12.4 Burnham. Lovely old thing with a side valve engine. It's a great old thing. Doesn't go very fast at all. I love it. Look at that. It's dirty, it's grimy, but wow, that thing gets used absolutely loads. Follow me around, and we have the piece of technological excellence that is the Riley 9 Monaco, a very early example of an engine with twin camshaft. High set in the block there, but very, very, very technologically advanced for its time. Lightweight, small capacity, and fairly quick. That thing will do 60 miles an hour or more. Modern age, Seat Mo, from 2022. It's an electric scooter. Yes, I do embrace electrical propulsion. We all should. And there we've got my Babbo cargo bike. It also is electrically assisted. Again, I love it. Take the kids around in that. It's green, eco, but all these old cars are green as well. They've only been made once. Their carbon footprint is tiny, a bit like their tyre footprints as well. And here we have my most recent addition, which is a 1953 Minerva Landrover, which I've only recently acquired by accident. It is possible to buy cars by accident, but it was just too good at too wonderful a price. I just think it's absolutely lovely. It's a bit of a work in progress though. Now that is fantastic with its half overhead, half side valve engine. It's really dirty in there because it's been used for lots of off-roading, but that's great. I'm a great advocate of using classic cars. They're not show ponies, my cars, as you can tell. And here we have a Velo Solex. Now this is a bicycle. It's French, quintessentially French. It's a bicycle with an engine that drops down onto the front, and you cycle away with this decompression lever pulled, cycle away, and then the engine just fires off and off you go at a total of probably 15 miles per hour. It's a great idea, but of course now surpassed by electrically assisted bikes. So again, it's a bit of a museum piece. Now this has got a bit of a story to it. This is an Austin 7 Special. One of 3 of this type built and one of 2 survivors. This thing is a bit of a squeeze for me because I'm relatively tall and quite wide. So getting in is troublesome. I have to take my boots off to get into it. And also, you'll notice that the seat back isn't in it. The seat back is here. I've had to take that out and put this cushion on the floor of the car just so I can get in and drive it. But that's how determined I am to be able to drive a beautiful little car like this. Then we have my very dirty at the moment, very sorry about that, Jensen 541R. Now this car I love. I've had it for a number of years. It's never properly been fully restored yet. I mean, I have rebuilt it, but I've just never got to the end of the restoration because I started using it and now it gets used loads. And that's the thing. These old cars are not museum pieces. They are cars to be used. Go to the shops, go out for a drive, go and have a fun day out with the family. They're there to be used as cars, and I love them. They're dirty and old, beautiful, and I treat them mean.